Hello everyone, this is Ajisha, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will see a topic called as compensation planning. On completion, the students will be able to understand the compensation planning process, structure and components of compensation, and the objectives of compensation management, principles of compensation, and the factors affecting compensation. So, let us see what is compensation. Compensation means a reward that is received by the employee for the work performed in an organization. It is an important function of human resource management. So, they may receive financial and non financial compensations for the work given by them. Financial compensation includes salary, bonus, and all the benefits and incentives, whereas non financial compensation includes awards, rewards, citation, praise, recognition, which can motivate the employees towards highest productivity. So let us see the components of compensation one by one. First, maybe basic wages or salary, incentives, bonus, commissions, mixed plans, piece rate wages, fringe benefits. We can see the fringe benefits as a separate topic in the next presentation. And then profit sharing, non-monetary benefits. As we saw earlier, it includes recognition of merit through certificates, offering challenging job responsibilities, competence, supervision, comfortable working conditions, etc. So the compensation system has two main dimensions: indirect compensation system and direct compensation system, which may also be said as financial compensation system and non-financial compensation systems. As you can see here, the direct compensation system has all the financial benefits included in them, such as base pay, merit pay, incentive pay, and deferred pay, and such. But indirect compensation system includes all the programs or the services offered to the extra benefits offered to the employee, such as protection programs, pay for the time not worked, and services and other facilities which are provided to the employee. So let us see the objectives of compensation one by one. The first is acquire the first principle of or the objective of compensation system is acquire qualified personnel, retain the present employees to ensure equity, which is a very important objective or the principle of compensation system. Ensuring equity means striving for internal and external equity, which requires that pay is related to relative worth of jobs and is comparable to the workers getting in other firms. That means equal pay for equal burden of work. So the next is reward desired behaviors, control cost, complying with the legal regulations, facilitating understanding, further administrative efficiency. So similarly, the principles of compensation are similar, as we saw earlier: ability to pay, internal and external equity, performance orientation, non-discriminations, legal compliance, simplicity and flexibility, fostering employee development. All this will come under principles of compensation. So the next important thing, let us see the factors affecting compensation, a very important topic which is coming under the compensation. External factors and internal factors. External factors include labor market conditions, economic conditions, prevailing wage level, government control, unions influence, cost of living, globalization. All this comes under external factors, whereas internal determinants of compensation includes compensation policy of the organization, employers' affordability, worth of a job, employees' worth. All this comes under internal factors. Next is functions of compensation. The first is equity function, welfare function, motivation function, and retention function. So the next thing is the process of compensation. So a compensation planning or the compensation process involves the following steps which is taken under its planning process. The first is organization strategy. The second is compensation policy. Third is analysis of contingent factors, which is external factors, various internal factors are taken into consideration. And the next is design and implementation of compensation plans. So after going through the above steps, the organization may be able to design its own compensation plan, incorporating base compensation with provision of wage or salary, increasing over the period of time. So the next final step is evaluation and review. So therefore, compensation management should have a provision for evaluating and reviewing the compensation plan. So, with the process of compensation, let us wrap up the topic. And for then the next presentation includes fringe benefits, which is also very useful. I hope this video benefits you. Thank you.